Come on, come and attempt this then. Oh! You fucking dickhead. Look at the fucked up face. Oh, look. Look into the camera. Oh, I fell over. You alright?
Oh, my fucking knee at that. Oh, look, my knee must have hit about fucking there and skid up. Look at my knee, what it did.
Do it again. Do it again. Oh, you do it again.
You fucking do it again.
I never said I'm gonna do it. Luke! William said you can't do it. Right, that's been my fucking motorbike video. William cannot clear it. Well, he did, but he fucking went flying there. He's fucking there like, oh. Right, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Bye.